Hello everyone. Today we have Mr. Roopak Jada from Robotspace. Hi sir, how are you?
Hello.
Sir, can you tell us a bit about Robotspace?
So basically, Robotspace is a one-stop industry 4.0 solution provider. What we do is we not only do the monitoring, so we have three products, right? We have something called iFactory, which is an industrial IoT gateway that's designed to monitor the efficiency, productivity, uptime, downtime, and various factors of your plant. Then we have something called Legato. Legato is a low-cost automation platform for the MSME industry. It works with about 25 types of actuators and anything you want to do with pick and place, palletization, automatic quality check, or packing boxes, so on and so forth. Legato can do. And finally, we have something called Scoot, which is autonomous mobile robot. So it can move things within your factory fully autonomously. So that's what we do at Robotspace.
Can you explain how it really helps us about Scoot?
About Scoot?
Yeah.
So let's say you have a manufacturing industry, right? So you're making something, right? Typically, it involves moving materials from one station to another station, right?
Yeah.
So it processes, the product keeps building, right? So what Scoot does is it picks up material from one station and moves it to another station, and it can do that fully automatically without any human intervention.
Okay. So I would like to know your take on the Industry 4.0.
Sure, I think Industry 4.0, the general technology of it is quite useful for a lot of manufacturers, right? And I think if you are able to digitize your factories, especially in terms of what is the productivity, what is the quality of things, and also what is the not only that, you can also use Industry 4.0 to incentivize your operators, incentivize your staff, right?
Yeah.
For example, typically what happens in the manufacturing industry is you have a bunch of operators operating a bunch of machines, but there's no incentive for really performing well. So using Industry 4.0 monitoring technology, you can monitor the efficiency levels of operators and incentivize them to perform better.
Yeah.
Similarly, you can also use the technology to improve your quality by adding online quality management, and not just start with monitoring, but you can also adopt your low-cost automation technologies as part of Industry 4.0, so that you can make your products produce faster, more efficiently, and with better quality.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sure.
Thank you so much for your time.